Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m to the power of 6 is equals to 7 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to move the term from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as m to the power of 6, and this 7 to the power of 6 becomes here minus 7 to the power of 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we rewrite this equation as in this form. So we write this m to the power of 6 as m cubed and its whole square, minus we write the 7 to the power of 6 as 7 cubed and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula we write our above equation as in this form. We have this case is implies that we write above term as m cubed minus 7 cubed into m cubed plus 7 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m cubed minus 7 cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we write m cubed plus 7 cubed equals to 0, and we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here further we need to solve these two equations and we get the values of m. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and in equation number 1 we use this nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So after applying this cubic formula into the equation number 1, our equation number 1 is implies that so this will becomes, first you have a minus b, the value of a is m minus b is 7 into a square, the value of a is m square plus m into 7 plus 7 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And after that we need more simplifications, and we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m minus 7 equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square plus 7m plus 49 is equals to 0. So from here we get the value of m is equals to plus 7. This is the first real root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we use the quadratic formula, and here first we write the coefficient of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 7 and c equals to 49, and we state the quadratic formula as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and after substituting all values it will be written as m is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square, b is 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 49, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 7 plus minus square root of, here you see that this is 7 square and 7 square becomes 49, and this 49 and this 49 be the common term, so that we will take common this 49 here, and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so here we obtain our m is equals to minus 7 plus minus. When we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, it will be written as 7 times of square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step here you know that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes iota, and we obtain minus 7 plus minus 7 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex values of m. So in the first case we get these are the three roots of the given equation. And now here we need to focus on equation number 2. So that first we copy down equation number 2 here. Equation number 2 implies that m cubed plus 7 cubed equals to 0. And here we use this cubic formula. You know that if we have a cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we write the above equation as in this form. First you have m plus 7 times of m square minus m times of 7 plus 7 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m plus 7 equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square minus 7m plus 49 equals to 0. So from here we get the value of m is equals to minus 7. So this is the fourth root of the given equation, and from here we get the other roots of the given equation. So we again use the quadratic formula here, and we write the coefficients of given equation. These are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 7, and c equals to 49, and we state the quadratic formula as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and after substituting these values it will be written as the value of b is minus 7. This will becomes minus times minus becomes plus 7, and square root of b square, b is minus 7 and minus 7 square becomes 49 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 49, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So we have our m is equals to, this is 7 plus minus, here we need to take common 49 inside the square root, and it will becomes 49 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And when we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, it will becomes 7 plus minus 7 times of, this is 1 minus 4, minus 4 becomes minus 3, and minus 3 is written as minus square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and in the second case we get these are the three roots of the given equation. So these are the total 6 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.